reviews.
Let me tell you how amazing this product is. Hi, I'm Danielle Keller, and I'm a hairstylist, and I'm with the Desire Company. This is the Unite Boing Defining Curl Cream. I love this for curly, wavy hair. It's amazing. It's got like a medium hold, so strong enough to keep your hair from frizzing, but not so strong that it's crunchy at all. So this is like putting a leave-in conditioner in your hair. It is so moisturizing, but you're also gonna get the hold from it to control the frizz and define the curls. And anyone from kinda wavy hair to really curly hair can use this product. So if you have super curly hair, use as much as you want. It might take you a time or two to get adjusted to how much you need, but I use a ton of this because it's so moisturizing. It looks so good in the hair. You can use a lot and it not look weighed down or greasy. It smells like candy. I would do section by section, add it in from mid shaft to ends. Then I would piece out your hair like this and then do a little scrunching. And then you can let it air dry or diffuse it. I love it air dried. I don't think you need to do much after it. This is for all my guys and girls with curls. If you have the curls, this is for you. You're gonna love it.